In this video, I'm going to show you how to add link in Foxit PDF editor. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do, you want to go to the Edit tab up top, and then from here, as you can see, it's going to say link. Now, when you click on link, you'll be able to drag out a rectangle, which is going to set a link. Now, of course, you can do this over different words, different sentences, images, objects, whatever you want to use. I'm just going to put a rectangle over this word, which says flexibility. So you want to just basically drag and draw it out with your left mouse click and then release it. There we go. And it's going to allow you to set its appearance. For example, the thickness, I'm going to put this to 5. The outline or the highlight is going to be outline. And then the border, I'm going to put it as solid. Of course, you can do whatever you want. And the color, I'm just going to make this, let's just make it like green here. And then you have this different destinations. The first one is you can go to a page view. You can go to a named position. You can open or execute a file. You can open a web link, so a website, or you have other options as well. So, of course, all of these are pretty easy to do. I'm just going to click on go to a page view, and whichever one you click, you have to click on next, and it's going to tell you exactly what to do. I'm just going to scroll down a bit, and let's say I want to go over here, and I'm going to click on set this position. There we go. And whenever somebody clicks on this link over here, it's going to take me to that specific position. Now, of course, other things are also going to be very easy to make. Just click on the one you want to link, and you'll be able to do that too. So that's how to link. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.